Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about a psychological framework that our brain organizes information based on our past experiences, called schema. Schemas help us predict and navigate the world efficiently, but they're not always perfect. Schemas are incredibly useful, but they can also lead to biases. Schemas also influence memory. This is why two people can remember the same event differently. There are different types of schemas. 1. Person schemas, how we categorize people, example teacher, friend. 2. Event schemas, like knowing what to do at a birthday party. 3. Self schemas, how we see ourselves, like I'm a hard worker. 4. Social schemas, how we understand societal roles and norms. These schemas shape how we interpret new information and interact with others. Welcome to the video.
Yo, what's up, brains? It's schema time. We're diving deep into the world of schemas, the blueprints your brain uses every day. Trust me, once you understand schemas, you'll start seeing them everywhere. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of your mind. Alright fam, let's break this down. What exactly is a schema? Imagine your brain as a massive filing cabinet, right? A schema is like a folder in that cabinet. Let's say you open the restaurant folder. Inside, you've got everything your brain knows about restaurants. Menus, servers, food. That awkward moment when you realize you can't afford anything but the fries. Schemas help us navigate the world without freaking out every 5 seconds. Imagine if every time you saw a dog, you had to figure out what it was all over again. Thanks to schemas, your brain's like, yo, that's a dog, it barks, it wags its tail, we good. But here's the thing, schemas are built on our past experiences. So if you grew up eating amazing food, your restaurant schema might be all fancy. But if your only restaurant experience was that one time you got food poisoning from a questionable taco truck, well, your schema might be a little different. The point is, schemas are personal. They're unique to you and your experiences. And while they're super helpful most of the time, sometimes they can lead us astray. Yo, just like there are different flavors of ice cream, mango lassi, anyone? There are different types of schemas too, and they all play a part in how we understand the world around us. First up, we got person schemas. These are like character profiles your brain creates for different types of people. Think doctor, teacher, that one friend who always shows up late. You meet someone new, your brain tries to fit them into a person schema based on their job, their clothes, their vibe. Then we got event schemas, or as I like to call them, how to function in society 101. These schemas tell you what to expect in different situations. Like, at a birthday party, you know there's gonna be cake, awkward singing, and that one uncle who's had a little too much fun. Don't forget about self-schemas. These are the big kahuna, how you see yourself. Are you a go-getter, a creative soul, the one who always spills their coffee? Self-schemas shape your self-esteem and how you interact with the world. And finally, we got social schemas. These bad boys tell us about social norms and roles. They're how we know to wait our turn in line most of the time, how we understand gender roles, and how we navigate all the unspoken rules of social interaction. So yeah, schemas are everywhere. They're like the invisible forces shaping our thoughts and behavior. Pretty wild, right? Alright, we've established that schemas are the MVPs of our brains. They help us make sense of the world, keep us organized, and prevent mental meltdowns. But like that friend who's always down for a good time but sometimes takes things too far, schemas can also lead us astray. One word, biases. Yeah, those pesky little things, stereotypes. Yep, those are schemas in action. See, our brains love to categorize and simplify. It's efficient, but sometimes we oversimplify, and that's when stereotypes and prejudices creep in. And get this, schemas can even mess with our memories. You know how sometimes you swear something happened a certain way, but your friend remembers it totally different? That's your schemas messing with you. Your brain might fill in the blanks based on your expectations, not reality. The point is, Schemas can create blind spots. They can make us miss important information or misinterpret situations. And the worst part, we're often completely unaware it's happening. Okay, so we've talked about the good, the bad, and the ugly of schemas. But here's the good news: schemas aren't set in stone. Unlike that embarrassing tattoo you got in college, you can actually change your schemas. The first step is awareness. Start paying attention to your thoughts and reactions. Do you notice any patterns, any judgments or assumptions that pop up automatically? Once you're aware of your schemas, you can start to challenge them. Think of it like updating your phone's software. You got to get rid of the old, outdated stuff to make room for the new and improved. So, how do you upgrade your schemas? Try new things. Expose yourself to different perspectives. Question your assumptions. Like, let's say you have a schema that math is hard. That schema might be holding you back from pursuing your dream career. But what if you challenged that belief? What if you took a different approach to learning math? You might surprise yourself.
Schemas are like the operating system of your mind. They help you navigate life, but they need updates from time to time. By understanding how they work, you can take control of how you see the world and yourself.
And that's a wrap on schemas. I hope you found this journey into the depths of your brain as enlightening as I did. Remember, schemas are powerful tools, but it's up to us to use them wisely. So go forth, my friends, and be the masters of your own minds. Challenge those limiting beliefs, embrace new experiences, and keep those schemas in check. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more mind-blowing content, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the schema knowledge. Until next time, peace out.